Hello, girls. Hi. I saw you guys on that street. You're so beautiful.
You're so nice.
You're so stylish.
Oh wow, thank you.
I like your guys' sunglasses.
Oh, so much.
Where are you from?
We're from Switzerland.
Switzerland.
Yeah.
Very nice. A bit nervous. So as English.
Don't worry.
Are you guys couples?
No, we're not friends.
That's what you like.
What's your type?
Pardon?
Like which kinds of boy you
Boys. You like.
Oh boy.
Oh,
We love a mullet. Some tattoos and
oh, me too.
Yeah, girl. Okay, we got each other.
Nice to meet you.
You too.
我像是我在心底，却忽略了你，以为只要能在一起，怎么度过的去。